Hi bag lovers, welcome back to Armcandy. We have a really fabulous Prada Femme bag today. This is in a beautiful black brushed leather. It's so polished and smooth and just delightful. It really is so smart, so sophisticated. I'll talk you through some of the features of this bag. So it has this one strap here. It is adjustable with the buckles here. And it does have another additional strap, which I'll show you a bit later, so you can wear it as longer, more of a crossbody. I'll show you that a little bit later. And it has the front flap closure with the magnetic pressed fasten. And then inside there is one flat pocket and a nice open space of the bag. And on the reverse, on the back, there is just one flat pocket there to store a couple of little goodies that if you should need to. So the exact measurements for this bag you will find if you follow the link in the description, it will take you direct to our product page. You'll find the exact measurements there. If it doesn't take you directly to the page, it does mean that it has sold. I'm sorry. If you really are interested in a bag like this or something similar or completely different, if you've got something in mind that you're looking for, contact us. Again, follow the link, send us an email, tell us what you're looking for, and we will pop you on our request list and you'll be notified whenever the item you desire comes in. So yeah, that's always a good thing to do. Back to the size. So I'm a UK 12 and I am 5'4", so you can see how it sits here on me. Just like this, and then it just sits beautifully under the shoulder. It's a really nice, practical, it feels quite safe, you know. And then the additional one that I showed you earlier, this is the longer strap. So should you use that, it will go crossbody or it would sit a little longer down here. So you've got a really good flexibility with that. So this bag comes with, I will show you, it has a generic Browns Fashion dust bag. And then it comes with the adjustable strap I just showed you with a small Prada dust bag. And then a little Prada envelope with an authenticity certificate card, an RFID card, a product tag, and a little care booklet as well. So there's all those little bits and bobs that you need there. Back to the actual bag itself. The condition of this bag we have called excellent all round. Before I tell you a bit more about the condition, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell, turn on your notifications, and you won't miss out if you love goodies like this, just like we do. Back to the condition. So this bag is excellent all round. It is in fabulous condition. You cannot see any marks or scratches on the hardware, the exterior or the inside. It is just beautiful, really stunning. I just love it, yeah? It's a really beautiful piece. You will find the link to shop this exact Prada bag in our description and it will take you to our website. If you would like a discount for your first purchase with us, then please email us. Go to our website, go to the bottom of any page, enter your email, and then you will automatically receive a discount code. And it might go to your spam. If you don't receive it immediately, check your spam because it could be in there. And if you have goodies that you would like to sell with us, please get in touch. We would love to hear from you. And then that is all. So have a great day, guys. I'll see you soon.